Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So update on the RSX. After putting in the twin disc clutch and finishing up with all the changes that we did to the car, as we talked about in the last video, we were able to take it to test and tune at Capitol Raceway. But unfortunately, we were only able to do 2 runs. The first one was kind of like an A to B run, making sure that everything that we did in the car, everything wired up, was working fine and the data was showing fine. We actually ran like a 13.6, I believe, so it wasn't bad. We went back to the pits, made sure that everything was working, everything was fine. So we decided to turn on the power and turn on Vtec and actually push the car a little bit harder this time. After the burnout, everything seemed fine. Then I staged. First gear was fine. When I shifted to second, I heard a loud boom, and I thought it was the motor, that I blew the motor or something. But pulled over to the side, had the car in first gear again, and it was moving slowly, no noise coming from the motor. Then shifted to second, and the car wasn't moving anymore, so it was just revving. So that's when I determined that it was something to do with second gear or the transmission. I went down the track in third gear, so third gear was working fine. Back to the pits, looked into it. First gear, like I said, was working. Then we shifted to second, same thing, not working. So we determined it was a transmission. We came back to the shop, pull it apart. Let me show you what we found. So here's second. Say hi to second. A lot of damage to it. Now, the main shaft, same way. So yep, that's how bad the damage was. Right now we have the transmission all apart, trying to figure out what we can use, when we cannot use. So right now we're in the process of doing some research, trying to figure out what gears to put in the transmission, stronger gears to use. Hday is like 20 something days away, so we're hoping to find the gears and get them delivered here on time so we can put the transmission back together, back in the car, and then test and tune again and see how it goes. Hopefully we can do all this in time and make it to Hday. But I'll keep you guys updated. Thank you for watching. See you soon.